In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Notion with an easy integration using Zapier. We'll start on your Zapier dashboard. First, look for the option to create a new automation. Click on Create New, and from the options that appear, choose New Zap. A zap is simply what Zapier calls an automated workflow between two apps. In our case, that will be Instagram and Notion. Once your new Zap opens, you'll see two main sections: Trigger and Action. The trigger is what starts the automation. Go ahead and click on the trigger section. In the search bar that appears, type Instagram. From the results, make sure you select Instagram for Business. This option is important because it's the one Zapier uses to connect to professional or creator accounts, which are required for this integration. After you've set the trigger app, move down to the action section. This is what Zapier will do after the trigger fires. Click on Action, then in the search bar type Notion. From the list, choose Notion as your action app. This tells Zapier that whenever something happens on Instagram, it should send that data into Notion. Now, go back to the trigger area and choose the specific event you want Zapier to watch for on Instagram. Click on Select the event or Choose an event and pick the trigger that best fits what you want, such as a new media post. Once you've selected it, confirm your choice. Next, Zapier will ask you to sign into Instagram for Business. Click on Sign In to connect your Instagram account. A new window will open and Zapier will ask you to confirm that you want to continue with Instagram for Business. Click Yes, Continue to Instagram for Business. You'll then see a Facebook and Instagram permissions flow. Click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Make sure you grant the permissions needed so Zapier can read your Instagram data and use it in your automation. When you're done, you'll be brought back to Zapier with your Instagram account connected. Finally, in the Action section for Notion, select the event you want Zapier to perform, like creating a new database item. From there, you can map your Instagram fields into Notion properties. Once everything looks good, you can test your Zap and then turn it on to start sending Instagram content into Notion automatically.